I'm going to show you a short presentation, short demonstration of Dynamics 365 AI for market insights. And so here, the ability is, the main idea here is, this is going to be very interesting and important for the marketers because it's going to give them the ability of understanding what the consumers and the customers are thinking, feeling, and doing, both in social media world, so we're talking about Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and so on, as well as the information coming from Bing Search. And using statistical modeling and Azure Learning, we will be able to deduce and infer some very interesting insight out of all those information. So now, for the purpose of this demonstration, we're going to use Microsoft Ignite. So what we're going to see now is we're going to try to have an understanding of what you guys think about us on stage. And so first of all, let's focus on our ability to understand the content of the social conversation. So here we're looking at the intention analysis and auto-tagging. So the ability for our AI capabilities to understand what is the main content of the conversation. What is the main level of and the main tags that we have when it comes to having a conversation in our social world. So here, thanks to machine learning, what we see here is that there is this automatic way to understanding what are the intentions, just like information requests, support requests, purchase, complaint, and so on. And again, with the ability of auto-tagging here. But there is more than that, because we can also understand what is the tone and the register of the conversation. So if we look here at the sentiment analysis, we can understand if a person is happy with the comment that is leaving on the social media world, is negative, and so on. And again, we can also be able to deduce and infer the age group and the gender of the people thanks to the machine learning model. So I'm able to understand what is the group that the person belongs to. And so again, I have a complete vision, not just about the content of the conversation, the tone of the conversation, but I can also understand a little bit more about the demographics here.